But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out.
I have a busy, productive day in the life of a mom video planned for y'all today. I have a lot to do. Have to take down all of our Christmas decor. We're gonna do some cleaning and then some organizing in the kids' rooms. Then tonight we're gonna grill out with a new recipe, so make sure you watch until the very end of the video for that. But first, I just hit 30,000 subscribers here on YouTube, so I wanna take a minute and say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I could not have done this without you. So I would love for you to comment down below. Let me know how long you have been subscribed here on my channel so I can personally say thank you. I appreciate you all so much.
I bet you think that I should calm down and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm doing that.
The kids were getting hungry for lunch while we're still undecorating, so Brian and I are having this for lunch. It's just French baguette sliced up, and then I get this brand of sliced fresh mozzarella cheese, and then these are the tomatoes we get, and just slice them up, and then a little bit of basil on top with some olive oil. This is the balsamic reduction that we use to go on top. So good.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Maybe when I love you, tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too.
Brian has been over here preparing a new recipe that we're gonna try out on the grill, and it's actually smoked queso. What's all in it? Velveeta.
Velveeta, Gouda, pickled jalapenos, cream of mushroom, rotel, 2 different kinds, red onion, cilantro, and then some spices, salt, pepper. So we'll see how it turns out.
It's
Looks
gonna be
pretty
so
good.
And then to go with our dinner, we're doing some roasted garlic on the grill. So Brian usually just does this and he cuts the top off, and then you put what? Olive oil,
Yeah, it's
salt,
olive
and
oil,
pepper.
salt, and pepper. That's it.
That's it, but it's so good and it's so healthy for you. It'll boost your immune system, which is what we all need right now. Then we're gonna do some grilled asparagus, Brussels sprouts, Brussels sprouts, and what else? Are you doing bacon wrapped asparagus?
I think we'll do some bacon wrapped because that's not as healthy for you, but it tastes dang good.
That's right. And then we're gonna do a whole chicken on the grill too. Then you just put foil around it and wrap it up like that and put it right on the grill. Or you can also do it in your oven too. So here's what everything's looking like after taking down all the Christmas stuff. I'm planning on decorating for Valentine's Day. So I'm leaving this red and white stuff. We're gonna leave this red and white pillow, and then I'll add some other little decor to it. And over here, it just looks so empty now without all of our Christmas stuff. But like I said, when I'm decorating for Valentine's Day, it'll be more filled out. I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna leave our red pillow. Kids are fighting on the trampoline. That's always lovely. And then over here, I'm gonna put up a Valentine's banner. So yeah, it'll look.
Now go in the trampoline. Now look at your knees.
Anyway, it'll look so much better when I have everything decorated. It just looks so bare right now. I would love y'all's opinion. So over here on this wall is where we had our Christmas tree, and it looks so bare. We actually had this kids' table over there. It was over here, but they've kind of outgrown that. We're just gonna get rid of it. So I would love to know, what do y'all think I should put on this wall right here? Should I put like a bench or like a slim console table? I don't know. Comment down below and tell me what you think I should put over there. Also, yesterday I got my first manicure since the pandemic, and I'm so excited. I just feel so good to have my nails done. This is the OPI gel, and you can't really tell, but there's a little bit of shimmer to it. It's called, what was it called?
That pearl, baby.
Yeah, it's like a pearl white. You can see over here. Oh, here it is. I took a picture of it at the salon, and I've had this color before in the dip, and it's the OPI Chiffon My Mind. It's so pretty, and I feel like just like a good neutral for every day. I also feel like our bedroom is looking so bare now too without the Christmas stuff, so I don't know. I'm trying to decide if I should add anything else in here eventually too. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Oh, and then over here, I would love y'all's opinion too, because I had those really pretty Christmas, what do you call them? Sash? Or what were those called? What did I say those were called? Spray? No? Swag.
That's what they call them, swag?
Yeah. So over here I had the Christmas little swag with the pine. Does that sound stupid? That's what it said on.
Swag.
That's what it said on the tag. I'm pretty sure.
Swag.
But anyway, these just look so bare now, and I really want to get a long shelf to go above the TV with some decor on that. But I'm thinking maybe some little wreaths or something to go on there. So that'll be on my list too. Here is our new grill that we got for Christmas. It's a Traeger, and I love it so far. So does Brian. So they come in so handy to just quickly grill dinner, and it's healthy because it's all just on wood. So we love it. So here is the bacon wrapped asparagus. We're doing some bell pepper as well. It looks so good. And then this is what the chicken is looking like with seasonings. And what, you just put the beer under the chicken on the grill?
It's gonna stand on it.
Oh, in the pan?
It's gonna sit on, yeah, like it's gonna, never mind.
What?
I was gonna say something. It just sits on the can.
What were you gonna say?
Nothing, I'm not saying
Tell
that.
me. My God. Alright.
Alright, that's enough.
Golly. So that will just be in there for 45 minutes, and then it's done.
Oh, God.
All right.
Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you.
I'm gonna shoot the BB gun and try to shoot the beer.
The car?
over there.
Oh, the can, okay. All right, let's see. You're on safe, right?
Yeah, I want to say if I hit the.
Oh, got the box. It's a good shot, though.
Wanna go see?
Okay, let's put it on safe before we go down there. Oh, awful.
Awful? I doubt it. If you know me, then you know that queso is, oh my gosh, my favorite food, like ever. That is so, so good. Such a good smoky flavor to it. Highly recommend. I'll try to find this recipe and link it on my Pinterest. What do y'all think? You like the queso?
Yeah.
Comment down below if you have ever had queso and what state you're in, because it's definitely a Texan thing. So I'm wondering if a lot of you have never had it or never even heard of it. But this is honestly some of the best queso. It's so good. I'm not going to get around to the kids organization stuff today, but I do have that unit installed and I can't wait to share it with y'all. So I'll save that for another video. It's getting late in the evening. Tomorrow is our last full day before school starts back up after winter break. So I'm just going to hang out with the family and look at these guys. What are you doing?
Playing a game. It's a Super Bowl. I'm the Oakland Raiders.
Oh, wow.
I'm playing the Bills.
Do you love football?
Yeah.
What do you make him?
Something for mommy.
Something for me?
Yeah.
Yum.
I'm gonna cook this. You have to say the word, okay? I'm gonna cook this.
What is that, a carrot? You're making me carrots?
Definitely need this.
Whoa. All right, here's how everything turned out. We already cut up the chicken. Here's all of our veggies, and this will last us for a few meals through the week. There's the asparagus. And then this garlic. Oh, it's so good. Is it good?
Yeah.
Did Daddy do a good job?
Yeah.
It's now 6:30 and the kids are exhausted. They've been staying up late every night, not napping during the day over Christmas break. So we're gonna get them down early for a movie. Now that we have both kids down for the night, we are getting ready to watch a little Netflix. And let me show y'all the show we've been watching. This is Bridgerton on Netflix. Comment down below if you've been watching this. We are just about to start the season finale and I cannot wait. It's so good. Normally I don't like shows in this time period, but honestly I'm hooked. It's so good. Please subscribe if you're new. Hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video and I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and for all of your love and support. Bye.